Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering down and removing both batteries so there's no live circuit. Once done, detach the transmitter base and unclip the ear cup with a plastic spudger. This prevents snapped tabs. Make sure to store each screw by location and photograph connectors for reassembly. Use a multimeter to check continuity on visible wires before pulling PCB. This tells you whether the fault is mechanical or electrical. Proceed only when you're grounded and organized to avoid static or lost parts. You now probe deeper. Check ribbon cables and solder joints under magnification because most audio failures come from broken traces. Once you've identified a suspicious joint, use a fine-tip soldering iron to reflow or replace the flex cable. This restores reliable contact. Test each speaker driver and the microphone with a known good source and the multimeter to confirm impedance. If a driver reads open, prepare a matched replacement. If intermittent, reinforce joints with small fillets of solder and strain relief. You reassemble by aligning clips, seating ribbon cables, and tightening screws evenly so the housing compresses correctly. Once closed, reinstall batteries and run a full verification. Play audio, test mic on a call, confirm transmitter sync and battery charging. Make sure to factory reset and update firmware if symptoms persist, because software can mimic hardware faults. If problems continue after these checks, consider swapping the transmitter or contacting support. One key troubleshooting tip is to test with another.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.